It's your boy J9 two times, and you gotta say it 2 times.
You know what it is? Oh, going on my daily walk. My daily walk to the 7-Eleven. I need to get some milk. I bought a donut. And morning. I bought a donut and yeah, I need some milk with it. So my daily walk. I should have went the other way for real. I'll show you this way. But gotta go on my daily walk. It is. What time is it? It is. Come on, bro. Can't even see it. It's 2:30 in the morning. That's what I usually do. That's when I usually come out when the sun ain't blazing. It's hot. You know, it's just a nice cool breeze. Hold on, let me see. I don't got the weather on this fan. But yeah, that's when I usually like to come out and do my running for my errands. But no, let me just hit the 7-Eleven. Be back. Hershey's cookies and cream rich coffee. What? That's real coffee. I don't know how to feel about it. I don't know. It's gonna be like a short for two things. We got. Can't even get it. Sweet cream cheese bread bun. When I'm out of town, I be tripping. This is like a real hamburger bun. I got all bread, no cheese. Good though. Then we got this. Strawberry drink. Oh, this is good. Oh yeah. This is what we got. Strawberry frap. Watching the battle. We got the egg.
Ain't no PG, you got me as a big name. Where I had to exit to
rice, a lot of rice.
Bang, copperheads, silver tips, it's mixed change.
Buffalo chicken.
That insane. They didn't try angles in a mask like Squid Games.
Tried it. You know we always start with the drink. Strawberry frap.
So you had a master key, bro. My lawyer said stop using revolvers. What? You know how many doors are brick open? Because I had a master key. Bro, my lawyer said only use revolvers because he was tired of cases being attached to me. Bro, this is bright lights. I ain't even want this thing. This is bright lights. I ain't even want this thing. I should have swiped right. I put more pressure.
Try the egg.
I ain't even want this thing. I should have swiped right. I'll put more pressure on you than them niggas who canceled at your fight night. It would be a white light. I will put more pressure on you. I will put more pressure on you than them niggas who canceled at your fight night. It will be a white light.
Know me, I love egg.
His soul because it might fight. And at that point, once he's dead, why would I care? What's your life like? Bro, you are ass. Y'all don't even like him. He do a little good and y'all hype him. He lost weight, so he less frightened. Document all them gun bars that's only legal in writing. And when you do be on go, it's a UFO. It's a rare sighting. I am amazing. I am amazing.
Yo, sorry gonna come with that tea.
I do animations. I'm talking.
Try this right now.
I do animations. I'm talking civil suits. Nigga, we document niggas hating. My Mexican got an identifying object and he can be persuasive. To us, they illegal immigrants. But to y'all niggas, it look like an alien invasion. Get out of pocket. This shotgun, get out of pocket. This shotgun be in formation. You ever dance wrong on the coke so you lost coordination? If it was too much cut, we had to shave it.
Salt and pepper.
Dip the white in the water to try to
Good
save
thing I
it.
got salt and
This
pepper,
shit
though.
tainted.
That's
This
dry.
shit tainted. Gone. Y'all realized y'all needed me because y'all was getting
That's
breaker.
dry.
I was the nigga that y'all
No
traded
seasoning.
on. I was the nigga that y'all hated on. I understand the culture need me to play the Joker role, but the smile on my face ain't painted on. I hate y'all niggas. I just understand that y'all need me. Y'all chase me and can't see me. Lyrical exercise. Y'all talk and breathe easy, nigga. Right.
Oh, this chicken better than the regular chicken. Okay. Yeah, pretty good. How's that right? We got some good stuff today. Barbecue.
I'm here making the chicken. Making the chicken by myself. I ain't got no flyers, so this is just what I gotta do. Coming along. Yeah. Coming along. I'm gonna make some rice. First time using a rice cooker.
Oh, that bitch kind of pink. Oh, kind of pink. But this is the final results. Final. Finally got this cheeseburger sour thing. That purple thing. Focus. Why is it not focusing? Alright, but this is it. That purple thing confused me, but. It's okay. It gave me like, it's okay. Let's try it with that sauce. That's all good. Not bad. Like a 7.
One more time, yeah. Hello, bros. About to hit the club, just got done working the longest shift. Once I hit the dough, they on the flow, they start to twerk and shit. DJ screaming.